Hey guys, Kyle here, and in part 2 of Alex's build, we're going to put in the graphics card, change all of our fittings to the silver ones, and put all of our tubing in for the water cooling. For the CPU, we're actually going to go for soft tubing at first, so we can switch between the 11900k and the 10900k for testing. But the GPU is going to be a little more complicated since it's vertical mounted. We're going to have to use a couple of weird fittings to get it to fit.
Alright guys, so we left off showing us tipping the computer back and forth, and we were trying to change the waterway and getting water moved around and redoing the loop and stuff, and that was like a month ago, and the battery died on the camera, and we're just trying to finish this video and make sure it doesn't end on a weird note, right? So a lot of things have changed inside of here since then, but we want it to look a little bit like where we left off for the most part, so I'll go over those little changes. So I believe since the video left off, we actually added an additional 360mm radiator because with just one 360 up top, we didn't have enough cooling, and the TEC cooler wasn't getting cooled off fast enough to work correctly. So we changed some of the tubing, and that looks pretty good, I think. Unfortunately, this 360, I think it probably looks fine on camera, and no one would probably ever know unless I told them, but if you look right there, there's a little, it's not secured because this case isn't made to have a 360 mounted like this. And we are using, well, I'll turn it on. We are using the original 140mm Corsair QL fans in the front because they look amazing. And so the mounting holes don't line up to hold the radiator down, but it's fine. It works great. And we've already done all the testing videos. Those videos are already out, comparing 10900K and 11900K. And if you're wondering why it's so loud, why I'm yelling, it's because we're working on some servers over here. In any case, this pretty much wraps up the video for this video. Obviously this panel is still missing, so all the cables are showing, but you can kind of see we got to a point where we can start doing the testing. And again, the testing videos are done. You can go check those out now when this video is up, and we'll have another video kind of finalizing the entire build. Everything will be buttoned up. This plastic tubing will be switched to acrylic, or PETG I should say, and everything will be nice and neat, and it'll be in my house where it's supposed to be so I can game on it. And if you're wondering why this isn't lighting up, well, it's because it's defective. So that's it. I hope you guys join us in the next video about this whole system. Thank you.